Good day everyone. Today we have yet another Kaiser ASK27 series to test. It's 15 kilowatts for a compressor. It's up to 11 bars compressor. This is made in 2006 and it's very well preserved. As you can see on odometer, there are only 40,000 hours in total and 877 hours under load, and of course 3,000 hours left of regular maintenance. So the maximum for this compressor is 11 bars. The set point is set to 11 bars. Let's lower it down to, let's see, 10 bars. Okay, and differential pressure, let's make it to minus 1.5. This is as I said, very well preserved compressor, both from regularly maintained client. So we have a short test today. We have connected this compressor to this air tank of volume of 750 liters. So let's start the compressor and see how it builds pressure to 10 bars. Bars are overriding. This one works pretty good. Let's check the air receiver. 4 bars. Okay. Thank you. Air receiver is like plain toy for this compressor. 4 bars, okay. It's cold outside actually. It's I think 5 or 6 degrees, and this is it's kind of cold start for this machine. Besides the fact that we keep all the machinery inside connected temperature. Since we 7, okay. Temperature is 52 degrees. It's pretty good. But look at the odometer for this compressor. It's just unbelievable. And also the outside state indicates that hours. So let's check it's 8.5 bars. Air receiver at 8.6, 8.7. This one of the PLC model. Runs really quiet. Let's see, 7, 8. That's it. That's our 10 bars. That was really quick. And I will now release some 1.5 from the air receiver. And the compressor started again. Yeah. Let's see what time. But actually, it will leave the field from 8 to 10. I bet less than 10 seconds. Temperature is 70 degrees, which is really, really good. Yeah, a little bit more maybe than that. Yeah, around 12, 13 seconds. So, on 750 liters, from 8 bars to 10 bars, there are 13 seconds. So, you can count on the great capacity for this compressor. It's a great item. Regular maintenance, as I said, with service history. Don't miss this great item. Thank you so much and good luck on your bids.